Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S25. And I think you've realized it already, if you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up Gemini with. But how to power off the phone? For that you need next to the power button as well the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you will hear at the power off menu. Just tap on power off and confirm again on power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to turn off the phone. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. Then you hear the control center, and a part of the control center is here the symbol to power off the phone. Just tap here, then we are as well in the power off menu, and tap twice on power off, and the phone will turn off. But there's a way to set up the power button or the side button, as Samsung have renamed it here, as a real power button. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol for having the control center, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features and you will find the point Side button. So you will have the point Long Press. So what should happen if you long press this side button? Actually, we wake up the digital assistant, so Google, Gemini with, but in the future we want to have the power off menu. So just tap here. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you are directly at the power off menu. Just confirm on power off and again on power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.